Kanishka. Our BMC video topic is Smart Door Lock System. Introduction. The business model Canva is a strategic tool used to visualize and understand the key elements of a business, and it helps entrepreneurs to companies align their activities by illustrating potential trade-offs and relationships across different business functions. The BMC shown here is a smart IoT-based key management system designed for both domestic users and corporate clients. The first parameter is key partners. These are the external organizations and stakeholders that support the business. First is university, provides research support and student collaboration. Second is microprocessor company, supplies the essential hardware components for IoT devices. Third is cloud computing service provider, offers infrastructure for strong data and running cloud-based services. Fourth is current partners, may include marketing partners, distributors and suppliers. And second pair activities, these are the core operations essential to delivering the value proposition. Development of IoT hardware, designing the physical device that control access, embedded software app and cloud development, creating the software system that connects the user, device and cloud. Software maintenance, ensuring the system runs smoothly with regular updates. Product distribution, making the device available online and in retail. Assembly, testing and packaging, quality control and preparation of products for the market. Third parameter is value proposition. What is the product delivered to its user? For B2C, consumer market, enables homeowners to manage access securely, eliminates the need for extra physical keys, allows remote access management, improves home safety, example integrating alarms. For B2B, business market, manage employee client access in real time, enhances corporate building security, eliminates the cost and risk of key duplication, enables 24/7 access control.
Myself, India Vashni. The fourth parameters are customer relationship, where the company interact and builds the relationship with customer. Website, blog and chat, providing the information and support. Social media, engaging with the user base and marketing. Product app, central interface for access control, phone support, direct customer service, trade affair, and the networking and sales promotion. Then fifth parameter is customer segment. Different groups of the people, business service, B2C market, tech service, homeowner, residents of metropolitan area, B2B market, corporate such as hotel, office and estate companies. Sixth parameter is channel. Methods to which the company delivers its value proposition. Marketplace, online platform such as the Amazon or Flipkart. The sixth parameter is channel, method through which the company delivers its value proposition. Marketplace, online platforms such as Amazon or Flipkart. And partner channel, through a reseller or distributors. The seventh parameter is key resources, critical assets required for the business to function. Hardware, software and development teams, engineers and developers. Consulting service for marketing and packaging. Financial resources, capital for operation and growth.
Myself, PRAVEENKUMAR.R, and here to say 8th parameters, IT infrastructure, technical backbone of the product, 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi, NFC, connective options for IoT device, Android, iOS platform, mobile app, compatibility, and cloud scalable backend system, MQTT protocol, the lightweight messaging protocol used for IoT. And ninth parameter, cost structure. The main expense include by the business, labor, salaries of developers and staff, cloud service fees, monthly hosting and maintenance cost, logistic, freight, storage and delivery, marketing, advertising and promotional activities. And the 10th parameter is revenue streams, how the business earns income, additional service fees, charge for extra features or info, equipment rental, offering the product rental basis, few sales selling to the other companies for integration into their systems. And then conclusion, this business model Canva effectiveness captures the entire ecosystem of a smart IoT based key management system by addressing both B2C and B2B markets. The model reflects flexible, scalable solution built on modern technology, strong partnership, and customer focused innovation. Through careful planning of key resources, channels, and values proposition, the business is post-pointed to meet the growing uh, demand for smart, secure, and connected access solution in homes and commercial space alike. Thank you.